kasi they will be dependent on you. Kasi the work is really gonna be here. It's not gonna be on site. Doon, delivery lang, tapos salto. So, gagawin namin ang pundasyon.
Yung supplier naman namin, is partner naman nag-antay naman. Ito yung last year pa sila pa na-antay, sabi ko.
Hindi, kunwari, papabid ako ng sabi mong mid-March.
Yeah.
Kung 17 lang ang contracts mo,
30 days.
17 lang kakausapin natin.
17 na ako.
Hindi okay. Talaga, may scale ka talaga.
30 days. Kunyari mid-March plus 30 days to award. So by mid-April, early May.
Para magkasya sa
Pero we have to pre-anticipate kasi 45 days nga i-order pa naman. Parang we see how they do it.
Yung SJ, partner namin sa BCA. Marvin.
4 lang namin. That's why.
I know that.